Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the every single mode on the Xiaomi Smart Multifunctional Rice Cooker. So we're gonna explain those modes one by one. First, we got the rice and the brown rice. This is self-explanatory. You just put the rice inside and you're cooking it. So this is pretty self-explanatory, that's why we're not going to talk about them. But we got a third option, which is congee. Let's change to it. And what congee basically is it's just a thick and like moisturized rice. So it is still rice. It's just a bit, for example, if the normal rice is like this, then this rice will be like this. So it will be a little bit thicker and a little bit shorter, and basically it's not that bad. I've tried it, not that bad, but I would recommend rice more. Of course, the next setting is steam, and I forgot about the soup, but we'll get back to that later. First, steam is pretty much self-explanatory. Here we have a steam tray that we can just take off, and here is where the entire steam is getting out. We can just place it back in, and of course we can also heat some soups, we can cook them, and we even get a spoon for the soup whenever we buy the cooker. So it's like a cooking process in one. Of course, we can go over and select the steam. Right here we got the soup, and now the reheat. Pretty much self-explanatory. It will just reheat the food up, and keep warm, it will just keep it at the same temperature at all times. So you can just go over, grab it, and then if it's disabled, you can just click on start again and it will keep it warm. Of course, you cannot set timer here, so it'll be either enabled or not enabled, but everywhere else you can change it, no problem, as you guys can see. And that's basically every single function on our multifunctional cooker. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.